Classic commutation experiment. The classic commutation is also called as voltage commutation because the SCR is turned off by applying reverse voltage across it. The SCR T1 is main SCR which is connected in series with load. The commutating capacitor C is connected between anode terminal of SCR T1 and SCR T2 as seen in the figure. The SCR T2 is called as complementary SCR and it is connected in parallel with main SCR T1. The working. SCR T1 and T2 off mode. The SCR T1 and T2 are in off condition during initial condition. SCR T1 on and SCR T2 off. When SCR T1 is turned on by gate pulse, the charging of capacitor is done through VDC, goes to R, then capacitor, then SCR T1 and again back to VDC. As we can see in figure B, that is the simplified diagram when SCR T1 is on. The charging of the capacitor is done up to VDC voltage. As soon as the SCR T1 is turned on, the load current passes through path VDC, RL, SCR T1, VDC. Here SCR T1 is in on condition and T2 is in off condition. SCR T1 is off and SCR T2 on condition. When SCR T2 is turned on by gate pulse, the SCR T1 gets reverse voltage through capacitor C. Therefore, SCR T1 is turned off. The charging of capacitor is done through load resistance path plus VDC to RL to C to SCR T2 to VDC. As we can see in figure C, simplified diagram when SCR T2 is turned on. The charging of capacitor is done in the reverse direction. Here SCR T1 is off and SCR T2 is on. When SCR T1 is on and SCR T2 is off, the SCR T1 is again turned on by gate pulse. As soon as the SCR T1 is turned on, the SCR T2 gets reverse voltage through capacitor and turned it off. The capacitor again charged through path VDC, R, C, SCR T1, VDC. Here again SCR T1 is in on condition, SCR T2 is in off condition. The classic commutation is called voltage commutation and it is used in parallel inverter and Mu-Murray Bedford inverter.